What's up, ladies? It's your girl Kate, and today we are installing LuvMe's 4x4 short curly unit. This unit is 8 inches, it's glueless, it's easy to install. You can literally just throw it on and go. The curls are super defined, it's pre-bleached and pre-plucked, which means it's beginner friendly. As you can see, I just pulled on the band and slapped it on, and I'm just adjusting it to my head, and we are literally ready to go. Later on in this video, I'm going to show you how to do all of the customization so you can just pop this wig on at night and pop it off in the morning, you know. So make sure you guys to stay tuned. If you like how this is coming out so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel, of course, and all of the links will be in the description below. And as you also can see, this is HD lace, undetectable, and of course glueless. Just a little bit more details about this unit. It is 8 inches. It does come with a 4x4 lace across the front, and it's super easy to customize. As you can see, I just took some small scissors and went across the front of my forehead in a jagged motion so that it can be as seamless as possible. And you can already see it's blending perfectly with my skin tone. Just for further customization, I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit of baby hairs. As you can see, I'm just pulling them off, just that very front layer, and I'm going to cut them very short so that all I have to do is just brush my finger along the edges and it will all blend perfectly. After I cut in a zigzag motion so that everything is not straight across, I'm going to take some mousse and I'm just going to lay the baby hairs down, and then I'm going to take my band that comes in the LuvMe box so that I can just lay the baby hairs down all in one direction. I also want to tell you guys that this wig is only $120. Mind you, this is 100% human, glueless, throw on and go wig. For all my beginners, this is a good wig for you because literally the only thing you have to do is customize the baby hairs and put some water and mousse on the hair, and you literally don't have to do it again after that. Stay sweet, stay over, stay. So now I'm going to take a little bit of mousse and just predefine that area where the part is a little bit more so that we can see the part a little bit better, and also give some definition to the curl before I put water on it.
Niggas don't know how I live, but that's because they live it that high. 4S13 stepping on shit till it's pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Now it's time to take our band off, and as you can see, all the baby hairs are laid down. That's exactly what we want. So we're just going to take our finger or take the baby hair brush and just brush these baby hairs out so it's looking more natural and like it's coming out of our scalp.
I hate a privileged rapper that they had a hit since his sons. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So this is the final look, and of course we're glueless, and I'm just showing you guys this is with no product, only a little bit of mousse, and I'm showing you how HD this lace is. This is the hair result before you put any water on it, and this is showing how defined the curls are with no product, only a little bit of mousse. And this is the back. It's super bouncy, super curly, and the curls are so beautiful. And this is the hair wet. I sprayed it with a spray bottle full of water, and I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to purchase this wig, you can use the link that will be below in the description box. And of course, if you like this video and want to see others just like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this wig. See you guys next time.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.